today we're going to be making rabbit toys.
Well, say hi, everyone.
Okay, I don't think.
Okay, go.
Hi, everyone. Today we're going to be making rabbit toys.
All right, we're going to be making some rabbit toys for our rabbits. So what you need are some fun supplies. So we've gone to the Dollar Tree and we've gotten some wooden beads. And then we've gotten some little Jenga pieces from the Dollar Tree. And then some colored blocks. And then some natural wood sticks like this. And then we've drilled holes in the middle. So if they don't have holes drilled, you're going to have to drill a hole. And then you're going to need some shower curtain rods or rings, some string, and then optional pipe cleaners. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to start stringing a variety of different things on to the strings and the pipe cleaners to make some different styles of toys.
Like this.
Because rabbits like to have lots of different things to do to keep them entertained. So this is just really fun for them to string, like how Pasca's doing it, how he's stringing all different shapes and sizes on there. They like the colors. You just want to make sure that everything that you get is non-toxic and natural. So these colored blocks are just naturally colored blocks. They're not painted on there because they don't want paint in their mouths.
No, just chewy toy.
So how are you going to do that? Is that just going to stay like that, or are you going to hook it?
It's going to just it's going to be like one of like our Snapchat, so all those things hanging down.
Okay.
This is going to be from Miss Nut.
Bring that off.
Nano.
And Ephraim, what's yours going to be? Is yours going to be a hangy toy, or is yours going to be one that they can just play with on the ground?
Handy toy.
Hangy toy. So once you've got them all strung up, then you're going to hook it around the pipe cleaner around your hook.
Okay.
And make it tight there.
This is it. Yeah, this is my one.
Alright, so now we're going to do some on strings. This is what this one turned out like. That looks really good. They're going to love that.
I made that.
And this one, type of string. We're using like parachute cord because it's really nice and thick. Because rabbits have really long, tough teeth. And they can get through about anything. So we want to make sure that our toys are durable as well as fun and
Way too short, way too long.
so we also have this kind of thread, just kind of a twiny thread, twiny yarn. You can use that too.
Yes, because we just put out their new toys. Oh, they started like eating it right away.
Yep, they play right away with their toys.
They know that we just got them toys. Like if I say, Nettle, I'm gonna get you a toy tomorrow. They basically know that I'm gonna get them the toy, and they all get ready.
They like their toys. So after I'm stringing some beads on there, try some of these things too, because they really like these natural driftwood. Oh, yep, you've got one in there. Lots of shapes and sizes.
Anything on this.
So on this one, so now that you got the string, so then you just tie the string to the top of the hook.
Yeah.
And then we just tied a knot at the bottom. So then the string ones can just hang on the cage, just like that.
This is gonna hang on
and
the
then Ephraim is making one, a little one there, with the pipe cleaners. Okay, you can also make toys like this, if you just put it on the shower ring like that.
Yeah.
And then the rabbits can just play with those on the ground too, because they like to nudge things with their noses. They like to roll things around. Building a big one. Here's another fun thing they like. They like these little hard cat balls with the bells in the middle.
Yeah.
So you can put those on the end of some of your toys too.
I'm going to make the bell one. I think. I don't know who that's going to be for.
Yeah, they like to have stuff hang from the ceiling or from the sides of their cage and their playpen.
There we go. This is how mine should be.
Perfect. So for the next toy, we're going to be making little cardboard balls like this for them to play with that they can just roll, or you can put a treat in the middle of it. Ephraim's got a little strawberry going inside that one. Or you can hang them also. You could hang one of these from the end of your toy.
Yep.
So what you're going to show Ephraim, you want to show him how to do it? So you, take a paper towel, empty paper towel roll, or a toilet paper roll, and you're just going to cut them into strips.
I'm posting. Oh yeah.
So you just take your cardboard tube and you're just going to cut off pieces of it like that, and then you just fit it around each other or inside of each other. Perfect. And there you go. Yeah.
I made a little beanbag.
Look at that. That's awesome.
At least I made a little bag.
Getting yours all cut up.
Cut up all mine. I actually made a little beanbag one right here.
Good. Ephraim's got a strawberry inside of his.
I already got 3 of them.
You've got 3. All right, 3 lucky rabbits.
Oh, you didn't put strawberry?
Another toy we're going to make is
No, this is
little
one for keeps.
sticks. So we've got applewood stick here, and you're going to take your sticks and tie them together. So Ephraim's got he's tying those together right here. So you put them in a bundle and then tie them together, and the rabbits like to figure out how to get the sticks out of the bundle. They have
Or they'll just chew on the sticks.
Or just chew on the sticks, yep. And they like applewood sticks. That's what we like to get for ours. But there's other types of sticks you could use.
Basically, you could use any type of sticks.
You just want to make sure that if you get them from your yard, that they're don't have any chemicals on them, that they're not treated with anything.
Or they're not having
Or
any
rotted.
bugs.
Yeah.
No bugs.
And no bugs. Yep, the applewood tastes good. They like that.
And
Just make little firewood bundles for them.
You guys, but hanging the tube. See?
Another easy toy is to take your empty toilet paper roll or paper towel roll and just stuff it with Timothy hay.
Yeah, with that. And then they just chew it.
They love to play with those. And sometimes we hang those from the ceilings of the cages too. Or just put them on the ground.
Yep. We can just put hay and hay. I hope you guys enjoyed with our rabbit video. Bye!
Yep. Hopefully you enjoyed making toys as much as our rabbits did. Make some of your own.
Yep. Bye!